Found a Madden NFL 14 save file with an M14 extension and want to load it? This is a saved game file from a popular sports video game. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Madden NFL 14 save files. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure M14 formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my number one choice near the end of this guide. M14. Files are saved. Game files from Madden NFL. 14. The football video game by EA Sports. They contain player progress, franchise mode, data, team rosters, season statistics, and configuration settings for resuming gameplay across sessions. M14. Files use EA Sports' proprietary save format, storing complete game state, including player attributes, team configurations, season progress, league data, and player-edited rosters. The format is platform-specific to the gaming console or PC version of Madden NFL 14. There's a proprietary link between the M14 format and Madden NFL 14 by EA Sports. Full file access relies on specialized software that can rebuild the file's index. Windows cannot decode engine-level structures, so examining game files requires specialized tools. We must confirm application compatibility. Right-click your M14 file and choose Open With. Test Madden NFL 14 if installed. If it's unavailable, choose a different app. That often reveals the problem. When a M14 file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. The problem is usually not complex. It is almost certainly one of 3 easily fixable errors. I've created a simple list showing the 3 main culprits and their verification steps. First, loading in Madden NFL 14. Launch Madden NFL 14 on your PlayStation, Xbox, or PC. Navigate to the Load Game menu and select the M14 save file. The game restores your progress with all team rosters, franchise data, and statistics intact for continued gameplay sessions. Next, transferring between systems. Use the original gaming console's cloud save or memory card transfer features to move M14 files between systems. PlayStation Plus and Xbox Live Cloud saves automatically sync files. Direct file transfer between platforms is generally not supported due to format differences. Finally, backing up save files. Regularly back up M14 save files to prevent loss of franchise progress. On consoles, use cloud save services or external storage. On PC, copy the files from the Madden save directory to a backup location for protection against system failures or corrupted saves. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend File Magic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.